Hello student, good morning. Welcome to your maths class. This is Praveena. I hope you are doing very well student. So, in our previous class we have to completed exercise 3a. Okay, and in this video we are going to learn about the square root. Okay, so you can see the what is a square root. So, this square root of a number x is that which when multiplied by itself number, okay, given that the original number x is a product. So it acts as a square root of a p, then p is the square root of x. So the square root of a number is indicated by this sign. Remember this sign student? This sign is the square root sign. Okay, a is the square root of a b, then a equals to root b, then a so we can write the a square equals to b. So the square root of a number is indicated by this sign. So root 9 is equals to 3 because 3 into 3 is 9. Root 16 is equals to 4 because 4 into 4 is equals to 16. So the prime factorization method of finding square root of a perfect square. So to find the square root of a perfect square, follow the given step. First, write down the prime factor of the given number. Second step, make pair of a similar factor. Okay, then the third step is take one factor from each pair. Fourth step, write the product of all such a factor. Then step 5, the product of required square and root of the given number. Okay, so solve square cannot be a negative number. Okay, remember this point student. A square cannot be a negative number, it is always positive. So the square root of any number has two values. This is the positive and second is the negative. Okay, so let's do the exercise 3b. Find the square root of a following number by a prime factorization method. Okay, so here's the how to find. First question is 1296. So first you find the factor and then pair 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and into 3 into 3. So here is the 4 pair. First 2 into 2, so we can write 2. Next 2 into 2 we can write 2. Next 3 into 3 is 3 and the 3 into 3 is 3. Okay, and then multiply. So we get the square root of a 1296 is the 36. Next is 4096. Like this find the factor and then pair. Okay, and then pair and we can write the number 1 times and then multiply. So we get number is 64. Okay, so 4096 is the square root of 64. Like this all the number. Okay, next question number 2. So the prime factorization method is, you can see which one is the second. So the find the smallest prime factorization, smallest number is the 1008 must be multiplied so as to get a perfect square. So also find the square root of a root of a square number so be obtained. Okay, so here is the which one is the multiply 108 into 7. Okay, so 7056 will be a perfect square. So we can write the prime factor and write the number and then multiply. So we get 84. Okay, and the 84, this is the square root and multiply by 7. So prime factor of this number is 23 into 23 into 5. So the perfect square if we multiply 5 to the number. Okay, next question number 4 solution is by prime factorization method and we get is number is 405. Okay, so we get the factor is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 4 time multiply by 5. Okay, and we decided 405 by 5. So 405 divided by 5 we get 81 or square root of 81 is the 9. Okay, so hence we divided 405 by 5, then square root is equals to 9. The next question number 5. Area of a square field is 2304 meters square. Then find the prime factor of this number. Okay, and we get is 48. Okay, then we can write the pair and the pair write one time right number. Okay, and then we get number is 48. So hence the length of a side is the 48 meter. Okay, So like this, all the solution question number next 6 7 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and here is the next exercise. Okay, so exercise 3, find the square root of a following number by long division method. Okay, 1 2 7 6 9. First you find so this number. Okay, so how to find? You can see this. First you find so number 11 by 11 into 11, so 121. This is the number. Okay, so and we write here 121, subtract, and then we get number is 6. Then here is the 1 1 1 and plus 1 1, so here is the 22. So 22 into 3 multiplied by 3, so we get number is 669. Okay, so this is the 1 1 3 is the square root of a 12769 number. Okay, so like this all the numbers. Okay student, so you can write down this answer 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 10. Okay, you can write down all this in your notebook. So complete exercise 3b and the 3c you can write down in your notebook. Take care and bye bye student.